See, it's not coming off. I mean, how is this even possible? It is supposed to come off because it's a gloss, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're watching for the very first time, hi, my name is Arpita and I'm a beauty fashion lifestyle content creator. और आज के वीडियो में मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ मार्स सिनेमैजिक लिप ग्लॉस का डिटेल रिव्यू. सो इफ़ यू आर समवन हु हैवंट परचेज द प्रोडक्ट लेकिन सोच रहे हो कि खरीदूँ कि नहीं खरीदूँ, keep on watching this video till the end, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell icon to never miss any update. So without any further ado, let's get started. टॉक अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, ब्रांड ने ये जो पर्टिकुलर रेंज है 8 डिफरेंट शेड्स में लॉन्च किया है, आउट ऑफ विच 2 पर्टिकुलर शेड्स आर ब्राउन न्यूड्स एंड रेस्ट ऑफ देम आर पिंक एंड रेड. सो मैंने अपने लिए एक ही शेड परचेज किया है जस्ट टू गिव इट अ ट्राई कि मेरे लिए कैसा है, बिकॉज the brand claims this product to be transfer proof, smudge proof and long lasting, lightweight and all of that. So ये सब जब मैं सुनती हूँ and if I see a lip gloss I get very skeptical क्योंकि lip gloss में ये सब qualities usually नहीं रहती है. So I'm very excited to try this product out. Also this product retail on 299 और आपको ये Nykaa, Flipkart या Amazon में तो मिल ही जाएगा. You don't have to worry about that. So the shade that we will be trying today is called 01 Noor. So if I talk about the outer packaging of the product, it has very similar cardboardy packaging like every other lip gloss. So if I talk about the outer packaging of the product, it will give you the name of the shade in a very big aesthetic way. और इसका जो styling है packaging का, it's some kind of Bollywood themed packaging, and इस product का shelf life is more or less 3 years. So I think that's pretty great because इतने लंबे टाइम तक शेल्फ लाइफ इज वेरी अमेजिंग. कुडोज टू मार्स. नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द एक्चुअल कंटेनर ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, इट लुक्स समथिंग वेरी सिमिलर टू द एक्चुअल शेड विच आई ऑलवेज प्रेज अबाउट मार्स, क्योंकि मार्स के जितने भी लिपस्टिक्स होते हैं उनके जो आउटर पैकेजिंग होते हैं एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट से बहुत ही सिमिलर होते हैं, एंड इट कम्स इन दिस काइंड ऑफ रोटेटिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ बॉटल. ऑल्सो द ब्रांड क्लेम्स दिस वन टू बी शेक एंड अप्लाई प्रोडक्ट like the one that Maybelline used to have with their liquid lipstick. So this one is a lip gloss and brand has specifically mentioned कि जब आप ये product apply करो, you do have to shake it pretty well and then apply the product. Now we have talked a lot about the packaging and everything. Now let's put this product into trial. So this is what the swatch looks like and I'm very much impressed with the color, क्योंकि ऐसा एक similar color है मेरे पास lipstick का, but that's not a lip gloss or that's not a shiny lipstick, that's a matte lipstick. So मुझे उस पे उसके ऊपर ग्लॉस लगाना पड़ता है. नाउ आई डू हैव दिस शेड तो मैं उसका भी यूज़ नहीं करूँगी. नाउ लेट्स क्विकली अप्लाई दिस शेड एंड मीनवाइल आई विल कीप इट फॉर 5 to 7 minutes, क्योंकि एज फार एज आई रिमेंबर Maybelline वाला जो शेड है दैट हैज़ टू बी केप्ट फॉर फ्यू मिनट्स बिफोर वी चेक हाउ ट्रांसफरिंग इट इज़. नाउ लेट्स क्विकली अप्लाई दिस ऑन टू माई लिप्स. If I talk about the shade payoff or everything, it does not make me feel that this is a lip gloss, क्योंकि usually for the lip gloss I do have to apply 2 to 3 times just because I have pigmented lips. But यहाँ पे एक wand में ही मेरा पूरा काम हो गया. And this shade is definitely giving me that, you know, creamy and moisturizing feel onto my lips, and it's not very uncomfortable onto my lips as far as I can see. As far as I am concerned about the transfer, मैं इसको थोड़ा सा time दूंगी lips को और hands को और just to settle this thing down, and then I'm coming back to you all. Now it's been few minutes, मतलब 5 मिनट तो हो ही गया है. Now it's time to test the loyalty of the product. Now this is the hand part, ये बहुत देर से है यहाँ पे, so हम लोग lips का बाद में करेंगे. We will try out this one. So seriously, I mean, guys, it's not coming off. See, now it's time for the lips. See, it's not coming off. I mean, how is this even possible? It is supposed to come off because it's a gloss, guys. I mean, you can see my lips and my, I don't know how it's possible, but somehow it does. When I am doing the kiss test or whatever you call it, ऊपर का जो gloss है that is coming off here. So ये थोड़ा सा मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, because if this is gloss then why it is coming off? Like तब तो ये pointy नहीं रहा to be a gloss, because it's looking more like a liquid lipstick right now rather than a lip gloss. After a while the glossiness will go away and you will be left with just the liquid lipstick part. And मेरा overall verdict for this particular product will be, yes, this product is very good, it does what it claims, but they are marketing it in a bit wrong way, क्योंकि this product is more like a liquid lipstick to me rather than a lip gloss, because gloss has to be more glossy rather than a matte one, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा matte out हो गया मेरे lips पे. I don't know, I may have done something wrong to it, but it is what it is. So yes, if I have to rate the product out of 5, I would definitely rate it 4, because this product is really very great. It's very hydrating, moisturizing, long lasting and everything, apart from the fact that it has very lesser amount of gloss in it as compared to a lip gloss. But if you're someone who is looking for very moisturizing, hydrating product but little bit glossy, more glossy than a liquid lipstick, then definitely आप ये product check out कर सकते हो. So if you guys really like this video and find it helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such contents like this. Also, if you want to get your hands on this particular product, then don't forget to go on to my description box. वहाँ पे जाके आपको product का link ज़रूर मिल जाएगा. That's it for today's video. I'll see you guys definitely on the next one.